Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to index a blog post to Google Search Console. It's very easy. Let's take a blog post. Let's presume that you have a new blog post. I want to do this. You just click the URL of the blog post after you published it on WordPress or on the platform that you have your website, and then you just go to Google Search Console, and here you paste your URL, click enter, and you wait for the indexed from the Google. This is a blog post that is already indexed. If it's not indexed already, when you click here the URL, you have to test the URL. Let's pretend that we'll do a blog post now. Let's click on here and let's add some text over here. Let's copy some text from a blog post. Let's take this. I'm not sure that it will index it, but we're gonna try because Google wants that it's quality. Doesn't want a blog post or something that doesn't bring quality. Let's copy this just like this to presume that we have a blog post. All right, let's save the draft. I won't publish it because it's gonna appear on my website, but I want you just to see the process. You see the URL. If I didn't publish it, it's not looking so good, but just for the sake of the tutorial, so you will see how the process. Okay, I paste here, click enter. Now you are trying, as you see, because it's not published and it doesn't have a lot of features included. uh, it won't be indexed, but I want you just to see. You click here to test live URL. You wait a minute or two. It depends. The answer will be negative, I'm sure, but this is the way you should index your URL for a blog post or whatever you want to index on Google Search Console to be found on search. We are lucky. It's available. It says it can be indexed. Silent search box find. Now you just click on the indexing. I won't click because Google will index and I don't want to index this, but you just click on it here and that's all. After that, all you have to do after a few hours, you click here the URL and to check if Google indexed it. I hope it was helpful. Have a nice day. Bye bye.